Did you know that termites cause over $5 billion in damage to homes in the United States each year? To protect your home, our service professionals have just installed Sentricon's Constant Protection Termite Colony Elimination System.
The Sentricon system utilizes strategically placed bait stations located around the perimeter of your home. They protect your home 24/7, 365 days a year, eliminating the colony before they cause damage. Each year, our service professionals will come out and perform a thorough annual inspection of each station, replacing bait if and when required. With Sentricon Constant Protection, your property is even protected from the highly destructive Formosan termite, known as the super termite. If you have any additional questions about your Sentricon protection and warranty, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Thank you for allowing us to protect your home and family. Make it a great day.